Outdoor game. The outdoor party game in America. Con Jam is tremendously fun and a popular competitive team game similar to cornhole, washer toss and horseshoes. How to play. Take turns throwing and deflecting the flying disc across the yard, beach, or park at the goal. 21 points wins, or go pro and slot the flying disc for an instant win. Easy setup. So easy to set up, you can play in seconds. USA made. Con Jam is proudly made in the USA. Play anywhere. Con Jam is perfect for the backyard, the beach, the park, a tailgate. Con Jam is so lightweight and easy to assemble you can bring it anywhere, set up and play within seconds. Easy to store. Easy to store Con Jam in your trunk, closet or garage. Top reviews from the United States. So much fun. We originally played Con Jam at my in-laws and had a blast. We bought our own set to bring camping and it was a hit with both the older and younger crowd. Since your partner can help assist for points, you don't have to be a frisbee whiz to play. We've had several family members make it through the front slot to end the game and crown themselves the Con Jam champ. So much fun.